Brain. The brain is like a master computer and controls all the activities of our body. The human brain is grayish-pink in color and looks like a walnut. It has many folds on its surface. It is situated at the top of the spinal cord. The brain is very delicate. It is protected by a bony box, cranium, inside the skull. The membranes which cover the brain and protect it are known as meninges. The space between the meninges is filled with a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, which protects the brain from shocks and jerks. Cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata are the three main parts of the brain. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It has many folds and grooves. It consists of two lobes with one on either side of the head. It has convoluted appearance because the outer surface of cerebral hemisphere has elevations and depressions. It helps us remember things, understand meanings, and solve problems. Thus, it is called the center of intelligence. It also controls our sense organs. Cerebellum. It is a small egg-shaped part and lies below the cerebrum at the back of the head. It controls our muscle activities and helps us balance our body in an upright position during movement. Medulla oblongata or brain stem. It is the lower portion of the brain. It joins brain to the spinal cord. Involuntary actions like heartbeat, breathing, and sneezing are controlled by it. It is active even when we sleep. Spinal cord. It is a thick bundle of nerves that connects the brain with all body parts. It starts from the back portion of the brain, medulla, and continues down to the lower end of our backbone. It is protected by the vertebral column. It connects the rest of the body to the brain through the nerves. Nerves. Nerves are made up of special cells called neurons or nerve cells. Each neuron has two main parts, cyton and axon. Axons are also called nerve fibers. Each nerve is composed of a bundle of fibers. There may be thousands of fibers in a single nerve. Our body has a network of nerves to carry messages between the brain and the other parts of the body. Nerves are of three types. Sensory or efferent nerves. These nerves carry messages from the sense organs, eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin to the brain and the spinal cord. Motor or efferent nerves. These nerves carry messages from the brain or spinal cord to the different body parts, muscles, or glands. Mixed nerves. These nerves carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. Reflex action. All of our actions are controlled by the nervous system, but some of the actions are automatic and we do not think before doing them. These actions are reflex actions. A reflex action is an automatic reaction of the body to an event. For example, when we accidentally touch something hot, our hand automatically pulls itself away. The reflex action allows fast reaction. It is because the spinal cord sends orders through motor nerves for the muscles to tighten up. Thus, we pull our hand away from the hot object before any feeling of pain. These types of actions are not controlled by the brain. They are controlled by the spinal cord. Some other examples of reflex action are coughing, sneezing, blinking, watering of mouth on looking at some tasty food, sense organs. The organs which connect us to the outside world are called sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin are 5 sense organs. They help us see, smell, hear, taste, and feel respectively. Eyes. Eyes are the sense organs of sight. We see various things with the help of eyes. Our eyes are very sensitive. Eyes are like a round ball and fit into the sockets of the skull. Eyebrows and eyelashes protect our eyes from sweat and dirt. The front part of the eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea. The colored part of eye is the iris. The black spot in the center of iris is the pupil. Light enters the eyes through pupil. The iris controls the size of the pupil. It makes it larger or smaller to let in the right amount of light. Behind the pupil is the lens, which forms the image of the object you see on a screen called the retina. The nerve cells in retina send messages to the brain through the optic nerves. The brain reads the messages and enables us to see the object. Care of eyes. 1. Wash your eyes daily with clean water. 2. Do not read in very dim light and in a moving vehicle. It strains your eyes. 3. Do not watch TV or play computer games for a long time. 4. Never rub your eyes with dirty hands or handkerchief. It may cause infection. 5. Make a proper distance from TV while watching it. 6. Inform your parents or teacher if you feel any difficulty in reading text written on the blackboard. 7. Sit erect and hold the book about a foot away from your eyes while reading. Nose. It helps us to smell various things. We breathe through our nose. Inside the nose, there are nerve endings which are sensitive to smell. The messages are sent to the brain by the nerves. Our brain tells us about smell. The senses of smell and taste are linked. The food does not taste good if the nose is blocked. Care of nose. 1. Keep your nostrils clean by blowing it gently. 2. Do not use your finger to clean the nose. 3. Clear the blocked nose by inhaling steam. Ears. We have 2 ears, one on either side of the head. These are the sense organs of hearing. We are able to hear various sounds with the help of our ears only. They also help us to keep our balance. The part of ear we see is the outer ear. It is like a funnel and collects sound waves and passes them to the eardrum in the middle ear. The eardrum starts vibrating like skin of tabla when stuck. These vibrations pass into inner ear where nerve cells are present which send signals to the brain. Care of ears. 1. Never put any pointed object in your ear. 2. If water enters into your ears, clean it gently with an earbud. 3. Do not listen very loud noise for a long time. 4. Use earplug while swimming. Tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste. We can taste various foods with the help of our tongue. There are tiny bumps on the tongue. These bumps contain some cells called taste buds. There are 4 kinds of taste buds in different areas of tongue. They help us to taste sweet, sour, salty, and bitter food items. Tongue also enables us to speak. Care of tongue. 1. Clean your tongue daily with a tongue cleaner and clean water. 2. Do not eat very hot or very cold food. Skin. Skin is the sense organ of touch. It covers the entire surface of our body and protects it against injuries and germs. It has nerve endings that help us to feel heat, cold, and pain. Care of skin. 1. Daily bathe with clean water and soap to clean dirt and dust and use a clean towel to dry your body after bathing. 2. Wear clean clothes. 3. Apply antiseptic cream to any scratch or wound to prevent infection. 4. Avoid scratching of your skin when it itches. 5. Do not apply any ointment on your skin without consulting a doctor. 6. In warm weather, wear loose clothes in order to allow the passage of fresh air.